What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So pretty exciting day for me today. I have a bunch of parts that are yet to be installed. We have parts for this car, my Mitsubishi, as well as this car, my SI. So we won't be working on the SI as of yet today, but we did pick up the HFP rear lip as well as side skirts, all painted, so paint match to a taffeta white. I'll be having a separate video of it getting installed and stuff, so make sure to stay tuned. Besides that, we also had Last Fit send us some LED bulbs for the fog lights, so pretty exciting. They're gonna be yellow LED bulbs. Yeah, stay tuned for that install as well coming up. Today we'll be working on this car, my Mitsubishi. I have a bunch of parts that are yet to be installed. We recently dropped off some of the Ganador side mirrors. So I already do have a set of Ganadors on my car, but the Ganadors I dropped off to get redone were the LED ones. So I've been hunting for those for about 2 years now and finally found a set. Some of the clear coat peeled. So if you guys notice, it's the same carbon weave. It's not real carbon fiber, it's like a hydro dip kind of material. But that's how they come. That's how Ganadors come, if you guys are wondering. They either come in the carbon fiber or just your, I think, unpainted color. So just come in white, I think. But yeah, we're gonna have Adrian have his magic touch to it. I also let him do this little triangle piece right here to get it done in carbon fiber as well. We also took off the wing pretty recently. So if you guys didn't see that video, you might be wondering, what the heck? Where's the big wing that's sold now? Went to a Subaru owner, but fret not, we do have the huge Vortex carbon fiber wing that will be going on the car really soon. We also have a bunch of parts that just arrived, so 1, 2, and 3 pieces literally just came in today. I also have more parts in here that are waiting to be installed. So yeah, crunch time. I'll be installing some stuff today. Like I said, I do have a car show coming out real soon, in exactly a week, so hopefully I can throw more parts on the Mitsubishi. My SI, that can wait. I'm in no rush to complete the project. So out of the stuff that I got, this one already gives it away. It says Last Fit. So big thank you to Last Fit. Again, if you guys need any LED bulbs, anything LED related, whether it's interior lights, your LED headlight bulbs, LED fog lights, LED reverse lights, anything like that, make sure to hit up Last Fit. They have amazing products. If you want to get a discount, use my code thejmedia10 for 10% off on their website. So I do have the LED reverse bulb on Mitsubishi. Works great, super bright, from Last Fit. And then my girl's Honda Civic, her 2019 Civic, which is not here, also has Last Fit headlight bulbs. Yeah, so I'll be working with them. Make sure to use my code if you guys want anything LED, and in the description I'm going to have a link for you guys so you can click on that, use my discount code, and get some discount off any LED products. But today, like I said, besides that, we also have one more thing here. I'm pretty sure I know what this is, straight from Japan. I'm pretty sure I know what this is as well. So big wing is gone, not for long, new wing is going on. I also took off this big piece right here. If you guys are wondering, it is the Vortex generator that I had on here for a few years. Since my Mitsubishi has been sitting outside the shop for a while during the turbo build, clear coat faded on it. And it's not real carbon anyway, it was like a hydro dip. So show you guys, this is real carbon fiber weave. This is real carbon as well. This is hydro dip. And this is hydro dip. So looks like carbon, but real carbon is way more, you can see way more depth, way more glossy. So I ordered myself a carbon fiber Vortex generator on here. I feel like it's a signature Mitsubishi thing. Every like Lancer or Evo has it. So I gotta take off all this old double-sided tape, and then I'm pretty sure that's what that is in that box there. And speaking of JDM goodies, here they are. Like I said, my Coltspeed shifter, they'll be going onto the car. And then we also have the Works Bell short hub and the Works Bell tilt hub. And then over here, this is the carbon fiber piece that would go on the roof. So yeah, pretty excited, bunch of plans coming. Like I said, I gotta get her show ready. We'll probably start with the interior mods today. I still have to take this off before I can put the new piece on, but super easy. Essentially all you're doing is put double-sided tape and then I can just clean the surface and slap it right on. So yeah, I'm really excited. I think I should throw on the shifter first. So let's go ahead and start with this. I might break it down to a separate video to put these on. So if you guys didn't already know, I recently installed some interior goodies. So I know a lot of you guys, when you're starting to build their cars, they like to do the exterior of the car, and I was the same. But after a while I decided to throw more mods on the interior as well. That's because when you're driving the car, you're spending a lot of time in the interior. Exterior looks cool, people look at it, but I guess exterior wise I'm pretty much almost close to being done. Maybe that's why. But in a recent video, interior wise, we installed the wide angle Broadway mirror, JDM parts, and then we also installed the carbon fiber various shift knob. So the main difference is back then I had a Katana shift knob shifter, which was kind of high. I'm used to shifting kind of high, and right now it's super low, which is fine, but that's what the Coltspeed shifter is for. So the various is a shift knob, and the Coltspeed shifter is just a shifter assembly, just like that. So let's go ahead and open it up. Excuse all that. Whenever I was taking the packaging off with the tape, I accidentally ripped it apart. I love to keep my JDM goodies intact in the box usually, but yeah. I got this used, by the way, if you guys didn't know. Coltspeed makes super cool shifters. Some of your Honda guys might know, like K-Tune shifters or hybrid racing shifters. So this is essentially what it is. Coltspeed is from Japan, and it kind of raises your shifter up a little bit. So shift knob comes off first, we'll put this on, and then shifter will be here, and then shift knob right on top. Let's see what we have here in the packaging. We have some instructions and some bolts. Instructions are in Japanese, so doesn't really help, but shouldn't be a hard install. We have pictures if we need any guides. So like I said, pretty much shifter comes off, shift knob comes off first, and then this whole thing is already assembled for me since I got it used, and then pretty much, yeah, just goes right on. Shouldn't be that hard. If you guys don't know, I have a bunch of shift knobs. This is a closer look at the various carbon fiber shift knob. Over here it says various, and then pretty much says various on the top, carbon fiber weave. I was debating between putting this one on. I also have a titanium Chasing J shift knob as well as a titanium ARC shift knob, but my interior doesn't have any titanium, it's just carbon fiber, so I decided to go with this. I might change it to the ARC shift knob maybe in the future. So the Coltspeed shifter is actually meant for an Evo 10 MR or the Rallispired with the SST transmission. I'm trying to make this work. Like I said, everything's pretty much already assembled whenever I got it, because I got it used. But if you're getting this brand new, essentially you have to connect all these Allen bolts together. These two arms, this right here, I have to put a bolt on each side to clamp it together. And then there's also a nut that they provide that goes up here. So once that's done, all I have to do is put on my shift knob. So pretty straightforward. Alright, so after some modification I decided not to use my various carbon fiber shift knob. I really think that the carbon fiber blends in with all the other carbon fiber in my interior. But my fiance was telling me that yes, it blends in, but then the titanium shift knob kind of breaks the contrast a little bit, so not so dull in the interior. I totally agree. She got this Chasing J's titanium shift knob for me for my birthday last year, so I haven't actually put it on the car yet. So yeah, I'll rock it this show. Few things to note. So over here, you guys might notice a couple spacers. So it actually came with this little bolt. It's supposed to go right on right here to cap it. The issue is this doesn't quite fit on mine. I'm not sure with the Evo 10 MR or the Ralliart if this little shifter, the stock shifter, is a little bit thicker than the Lancer ones. So that didn't quite fit, so I just kind of jerry rig it and put a couple bolts, put something there to stop it, and this is my new shifter. And then the next thing is I couldn't really rock the various shift knob, so it just came with a few different fittings, and the one I had on the stock shift knob did not go on this. So this one right here fits perfectly. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna rock this setup and see. Pretty stoked with how it turned out. So I hope you guys like this simple install. Again, I had to do a little bit of modification to make it fit, but it works. I haven't actually started the car, take it for a drive yet, so I'll probably have to do that. The most important thing about a shifter and shift knob is you want to make sure that it actually works when you drive. Otherwise, what's the whole point of it? So it looks cool. Wasn't quite the setup I imagined because I was going to put on the very shift knob, but the Chasing J's titanium shift knob looks good and it's weighted, feels good as well. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Coltspeed shifter and the titanium Chasing J shift knob. So usually Coltspeed, like I say, is a JDM brand. If you buy it, it could take a few months to get here. And if you guys are wondering, like I said, it is meant for the Evo 10 MR or the Ralliart with the SST transmission. It could kind of work. Like I said, I do have to modify some stuff right here. But yeah, it looks good. And it's kind of like Honda's version of the hybrid racing shifter or K-Tune shifter. Yeah, looks pretty cool.